Here's the problem for expected value. This is for problem 4 on your current homework, or exercise 3.035 in your book. It tells us that we have a small market that orders copies of a certain magazine each week. X is the demand for the magazine with the following PMF. So this is the probability that people will want to buy 6 magazines is 2 out of 18. The probability someone wants to buy 3 magazines is 5 out of 18, etc. Suppose the store owner pays $2 for each copy of the magazine and the price to customers is $4. If magazines left at the end of the week have no salvage value, is it better to order 3 or 4 copies of the magazine? And so for each of the 3 or 4 copies ordered, we're going to express our net revenue as a function of our demand and then compute the expected revenue. This, instead of doing an equation, it's easier to just make a new table. So this is demand. They might demand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay, and then I'm going to do profit if order 3 magazines. Okay, and I will let you figure out the profit if you order 4 magazines on your own. And then I will do another column for the probability. Okay. Now the probability row, that's easy. We just fill it in. It didn't change. So the profit if he orders 3 magazines. Okay. Let's see, if he orders 3, he had to pay $2 each, so we would be at, it cost him $6, but the price, the customers bought 1 magazine, so he gets $4 back, so he's actually in the hole negative $2. That is his actual profit. Okay, if he orders 3 magazines, so again, at ordering 3, it will always cost him $6 to order 3. So if he orders 3, it costs him $6. If people buy 2 magazines, then he got $8, so his profit is $2. Okay. If they buy 3 magazines, he gets $12, so his actual profit is $6. Okay. Now here's the interesting part, why we couldn't just make a simple equation. What happens if they want to buy 4 magazines? He only ordered 3 magazines, so we can't actually sell more than 3. So his profit is still $6 and the 4th customer goes away unhappy. Similarly, if they wanted 5 magazines, he still only ordered 3, so his profit is still only $6 and they all go away unhappy. And same for 6. People wanting magazines, he still can only sell 3, so his profit is still $6. Okay, so we have our row for our profit if he orders 3 magazines, and we have our row for our probability. So the actual expected value, or the expected profit, if ordered 3 magazines, so the way that I'm going to find this is I use the formula for expected value for discrete random variables, and we just take each possible value and times by its probability. So the first possible value is the negative $2 for profit and times by its probability of 1 out of 18. Plus the next possible value, which is 2 times by its probability of 2 out of 18. Plus the next one, so 6 times 5 out of 18. Plus 6 times 5 out of 18. Plus 6 times 3 out of 18. Plus 6 times 2 out of 18. And now I get to put this in my calculator. And if I did this correctly, putting in my calculator, I get 5.11. This means that over many, many weeks, if he orders 3 magazines per week, his expected profit is going to be $5.11 for the magazines. Notice this is the answer that I was supposed to get. And if you went through and you do your work to find the expected profit for 4 magazines that are ordered, you would see that the expected profit is $5.33. So, overall, in the long run, he's going to make more money if he orders 4 magazines per week.